Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best mini drones, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. For DRCV4. A game changer. This foldable FPV drone is designed for kids, young adults, and beginner pilots, offering a thrilling yet user-friendly flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, the 4DRCV4 lets you capture breathtaking views from the sky with real-time FPV transmission. Whether you're exploring scenic landscapes or recording your outdoor adventures, this drone ensures crystal-clear shots every time. What sets it apart? The V4 drone comes packed with features, including 360 degrees flips, headless mode, trajectory flight gesture photo, and VR compatibility. Plus, with optical flow positioning and an upgraded hover system, stability is guaranteed even for first-time users. Fly longer and farther with 26 minutes of flight time, powered by 2 modular batteries. Its one-key takeoff/landing, 3 speed modes, and 1-button return function make navigation a breeze. The compact, foldable design ensures easy portability, while the propeller guards provide extra safety, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Number 4. Oddire Mini Drones. Looking for a feature-packed, beginner-friendly drone that delivers high-quality aerial footage? The Oddire is designed for those who want a smooth, immersive flying experience with cutting-edge tech and user-friendly controls. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, this drone allows you to capture stunning aerial shots with real-time FPV streaming. Thanks to optical flow positioning and an advanced hover system, your footage stays stable and crisp. What makes the Oddire stand out? It's loaded with trajectory flight, gravity control, 3D flips, gesture photo, VR mode, and headless mode, perfect for both new pilots and experienced flyers. The one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold ensure effortless control, while 3 speed modes let you customize your flight experience. Enjoy up to 28 minutes of flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries and fly with confidence using the intuitive remote control or the Oddire Go app. The drone's compact, foldable design and durable build make it easy to carry anywhere. Number 3. BLINORY X60. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the BLINORY X60, a feature-packed, lightweight drone perfect for kids, beginners, and advanced users alike. Whether you're capturing breathtaking footage or exploring new flying techniques, this drone delivers an exceptional experience. Equipped with a 2K HD camera and 90 degrees electrically adjustable lens, the X60 ensures crisp, detailed shots with 5 GHz real-time FPV transmission for smooth immersive video. The built-in shock absorption technology guarantees stable footage, making every moment share-worthy. Enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time with 2 modular batteries, perfect for extended flying sessions. Powered by a brushless motor, the BLINORY X60 offers quieter operation, smoother performance, and enhanced durability compared to standard drones. Flying is effortless with one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and optical flow positioning, ensuring stable hovering and easy control. The BLINORY Go app unlocks 360 degrees flips, waypoint flying, gravity control, and gesture selfies, making flights both fun and interactive. Weighing under 250 g, the X60 requires no FAA or remote ID registration, making it an ideal travel companion. With a foldable design and included carrying case, you can take this drone anywhere for an unforgettable flying experience. Number 2. Toladrone TD12Pro. Take flight with the Toladrone TD12Pro, a feature-packed drone designed for adults and beginners who want an immersive flying experience with high-quality visuals. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees motorized adjustable lens, this drone delivers crisp, clear aerial footage. Easily adjust the camera angle with the remote control and experience Wi-Fi real-time transmission for seamless FPV viewing with minimal lag. The TD12Pro stands out with its optical flow positioning system, ensuring stable hovering and precise movement detection for smooth, controlled flights. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor with 10,000 RPM, this drone offers enhanced speed, durability, and wind resistance up to level 3, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Beginners can enjoy easy operation with intuitive features like one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, gesture control, and gravity control. Want to impress? Perform 360 degrees flips and switch between 3 speed modes for added excitement. Designed for portability, the foldable TD12Pro fits effortlessly in your pocket or the included handheld carrying case. Weighing only 12.6 g, no FAA registration required. With dedicated customer support, the Toladrone TD12Pro ensures an unbeatable flying experience for all skill levels. Get ready to explore the skies with confidence. Number 1. Dazlen X31. Unlock the sky with the Dazlen X31, the ultimate drone for both beginners and advanced pilots looking to explore aerial photography with ease and excitement. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, this drone offers stunning high-definition views from the sky. Thanks to the FPV first-person view technology, you can immerse yourself in the real-time action and share your incredible discoveries with friends and family. The X31 drone is packed with features like one-button takeoff/landing, optical flow positioning, 3 speed modes, and gravity control, making it simple to operate for users at any skill level. 360 degrees flips and gesture-controlled photo/video add an extra level of fun, while trajectory flight and music create a more interactive flying experience. With 26 minutes of flight time provided by 2 rechargeable batteries, you'll have plenty of time to capture the best moments from the air. The foldable design and carrying case make it highly portable, perfect for outdoor adventures like travel, hiking, and camping. The Dazlen X31 is not just for fun, it's a trusted flying companion, featuring safety mechanisms like propeller guards, low battery warning, and emergency stop to ensure a safe and enjoyable flight. Whether you're a novice or an experienced pilot, this drone brings your aerial dreams to life. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.